Breaking news now from the Supreme Court. We're just learning the High Court will weigh in on state restrictions on gender-affirming care for young people. NBC's Yamiche Alcindor is joining us now from Washington. Yamiche, what do we know about this case the Supreme Court agreed to take up?
That's right. Well, good morning, Anna. This case marks the first time the Supreme Court will issue a ruling in the battle over transgender rights for teens, which has raged in both healthcare and in education contexts. The Tennessee law being challenged here restricts puberty blockers, hormone therapy, and surgery for minors. And we've seen a number of other states, more than 20, pass similar laws. A federal judge blocked the Tennessee ban on puberty blockers and hormone therapy, but left in place the ban on surgeries. Now, a number of major medical organizations say gender-affirming treatments are an effective way of treating gender dysphoria, which is the clinical term given to people who experience gender identity issues and have a conflict with the gender assigned to them at birth. Now, the plaintiffs in this case include transgender teens and their families. They say that this law in Tennessee violates the Constitution's 14th Amendment, which requires that the law apply equally to everyone, in part by barring medical treatments for transgender people that are available for others. They also say the law violates the rights of parents to make healthcare decisions for their children. And I should tell you, I traveled to Alabama, talked about to a number of parents who were dealing with the law there. They feel very firmly in the fact that this should really be a decision between the doctors and their parents and these children. Now, the Biden administration has joined the challenge to the Tennessee law, and the Solicitor General, she urged the Supreme Court to take up this issue, saying that the law is part of a wave of similar bans preventing transgender adolescents from obtaining medical care that they and their parents and their doctors say are necessary. So it's going to be a very interesting case to see, and that oral argument should be next term, which begins in October.